So, I'm about to discuss the definition and function of HTML. So first, what is HTML? So, HTML, or also known as Hypertext Markup Language, is the authoring language used to create web page documents. So, yung HTML is hindi siya programming language, it is a markup language, which means isa siyang system for identifying and describing the various components of a document, katulad ng headings, paragraphs, and lists. The markup indicates the document's underlying structure. So, functions of HTML. So, HTML, or also known nga as Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language para para makagawa ka and makapag-design ka ng mga web pages. So, its main functions are, the first one is structuring the content. So, yung HTML is nagpro-provide siya ng basic structure of web page, katulad ng mga tags na headings, paragraphs, and yung mga pang-sections. Ayun na nga, to define headings, paragraphs, and section. So, second is creating links. So, HTML uses a tag to create hyperlinks, allowing user to navigate between different pages or website. So, next is creating forms. So, yung HTML, nagsusupport siya ng forms with elements katulad ng text boxes, checkboxes, buttons, and etc. na para ma-allow niya yung user to submit information dun sa server. So, yung last one natin is defining document structure. So, nagamit yung HTML ng tags na head, body, title, and meta para makatulong ma-define yung structure and metadata ng web page for browsers and search engines. So, yung HTML siya nagsiserve as the foundation of organizing and displaying content on the web. So, yun lang yung di-discuss ko. Thank you.